Now for this video, we're going to be looking at some examples where we actually have to multiply one of the equations by a number. So again, my goal here is I want to eliminate one of the variables. So I need one of the variables to have opposite coefficients. So they have the same number in front of them, but opposite signs. So I see here for x, this one has a 1, this one has a 3, so they're not the same. This one's a 3 and this one's a 1 as well. So there's many right answers that you can do. Some of them just may be a little bit easier than others. Some of them not. It just kind of depends. So if I wanted to eliminate x, I could multiply this top equation by -3 so that these are opposite coefficients. Or if I wanted to eliminate y, I can multiply this second equation by a +3. Since this one has a -3, I'd want this one to be +3. I'm going to go ahead and do that just so I'm not multiplying with a negative number. And now I'm going to rewrite these equations on top of each other again. So I'm going to have x minus 3y equals 24. And now I'm multiplying every single number by 3. So I'm not only multiplying the y by 3. So that means I'm doing 3 times 3x, 3 times y, so I have 9x plus 3y. And then 3 times 12, I get 36. And now I see I have what I want. In front of my y, I have opposite coefficients, so a -3 and a +3. And so now I can go ahead and add these two equations together. And so I see my y's eliminate just like I want them to. X plus 9x, I get 10x. 24 plus 36, I get 60. And then I can divide both sides by 10. And so I get x is equal to 6. And then now I'm going to do exactly what I did before. So I'm going to substitute this value in for x into one of these equations. It doesn't matter which one you choose. I'm going to go ahead and choose this top one. So I'm going to substitute 6 in for x. So instead of x minus 3y, I had 6 minus 3y. Subtract 6 from both sides. Then divide by -3. And so I get that y is equal to -6. So I got my x value, I got my y value. My very last step, I'm going to write that as an ordered pair. Okay, go ahead and pause the video. I want you to try rewriting one of these equations so that you have opposite coefficients. When you think you have it, you can go ahead and press play. So the one I chose to do is I wanted to eliminate my x's, so I went ahead and multiplied my top equation by -4 so that those x's can cancel. You could have also multiplied the bottom one by -4 to get rid of your y's. It really doesn't matter which one you do, you'll end up with the same answer at the end. So if you did that, I want you to try to go ahead and solve it out and see if you get the same answer that I do. So here I'm going to go ahead and add these together so my x's cancel like I wanted them to. -16y plus y, I get -15y. -88 plus 13, I get -75. And then I divide both sides by -15, and I get that y is equal to 5. And then now I'm going to go ahead and plug this into my equation. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into this second one here. So I have 4x plus, instead of y, I'm going to have 5. It's equal to 13. Subtract 5 from both sides. -4x equals 8. And then divide both sides by 4. And I get that x is equal to 2. And so my final answer here is 2, 5. Okay, that's it for this video. You can go ahead and move on to that last one.